After completing Step 2, View Errors and Warnings, you are ready to review your surveys and then submit your surveys. Click the Go to Step 3 Review Surveys and Submit link on the navigation banner, or click the Step 3 Review Surveys and Submit button. Before you submit your surveys, you will want to review your data to make any needed changes before you submit. Companies with multiple pre-listed locations can also check the data totals they have provided by clicking the Totals by Employer Identification Number button to download a spreadsheet. This report will list your totals for number of establishments, first quarter employment, first quarter payroll, annual payroll, and sales, shipments, receipts, or revenue by employer identification number so that you can compare the data totals you have provided with your records. You can review your surveys to make any needed changes by clicking the Print Responses link for a survey in the Print/Review Survey Responses column to open a PDF of that survey. The PDF contains the data that was entered in the survey view or uploaded via a spreadsheet. You can download multiple response PDFs at one time by clicking the Print Responses to PDF button. Select the surveys you want to download. The top will select all or unselect all surveys. You can only select up to 50 surveys at one time. Click the Continue button. After the file is ready, click the blue download link to get a zip file of your PDFs. Also, if there are more than 50 locations on a survey, then you will only be able to download a spreadsheet from the Step 1 report screen via Download Spreadsheet Template for that particular survey instead of getting a PDF due to processing constraints. Survey submission is the last part of the process. You can submit any surveys that have been completed and do not contain any errors. These surveys will be pre-selected and available to submit on the Step 3 Review Surveys and Submit screen. Previously submitted surveys that have been modified or have been accessed since their submission will be pre-selected for submission as well. Uncheck or check the eligible surveys you wish to submit. The top will select or unselect all eligible surveys. Click the Submit button in the lower right of the screen. You will be prompted to complete a submission certification screen. The certification pledges that the report is substantially accurate and was prepared in accordance with instructions. We ask you to provide the time period covered and contact information in case we have a question about your submitted data. After you complete the submission certification screen, click the Submit Surveys button. After the submission processing is complete, you will receive a submission confirmation that we received your submission, and you can see how many remaining surveys you need to submit. You can print the submission confirmation screen by clicking the Print Screen button. You can download a record of your submitted surveys up to 50 at a time by clicking the Print Responses to PDF button. You can also find a copy of the submission confirmation by clicking the Messages button. Click the Close button. You can also download your submitted surveys later by clicking the Print Responses link for a survey in the Print/Review Survey Responses column or clicking the Print Responses to PDF button. You have now submitted your data. Thank you for your time and effort.